Another aspect of streetwear fashion in the 1990s was its DIY and customization culture. Many streetwear enthusiasts would customize their clothing with personal touches, such as patches, paint, and embroidery. This allowed individuals to express their creativity and individuality, and also helped to create a sense of community among streetwear enthusiasts. The rise of streetwear fashion in the 1990s also had a significant impact on the sneaker industry. Sneakers became a key element of streetwear fashion, with many streetwear enthusiasts wearing rare and limited edition sneakers as a way to express their personal style. This trend was particularly popular among sneakerheads, who collected and traded sneakers as a hobby. One of the most iconic sneakers of the 1990s was the Air Jordan, which was created in collaboration between Nike and basketball legend Michael Jordan. The Air Jordan quickly became a symbol of street culture and youth rebellion, with its distinctive design and limited edition releases creating a sense of exclusivity and hype around the shoe. Today, the Air Jordan remains one of the most popular and recognizable sneakers in the world. The rise of streetwear fashion in the 1990s also had a significant impact on the representation of urban culture in mainstream media. Streetwear fashion and hip-hop culture became a dominant force in popular culture, with movies, TV shows, and music videos incorporating streetwear clothing and elements into their productions. This helped to bring streetwear fashion and urban culture into the mainstream, and also helped to create a sense of community and identity among streetwear enthusiasts. In recent years, there has been a resurgence of interest in 1990s streetwear fashion, with many streetwear brands and designers drawing inspiration from this era. This trend is being driven by a desire for nostalgia and a return to a more authentic and DIY approach to fashion. Vintage and retro streetwear fashion from the 1990s is also becoming increasingly popular, with many consumers seeking out unique and one-of-a-kind clothing pieces that reflect the style and culture of this era. Another significant aspect of streetwear fashion in the 1990s was its focus on inclusivity and diversity. Streetwear fashion was a way for individuals to express their identity and cultural heritage, regardless of their race, ethnicity, or socioeconomic status. This helped to create a sense of community and unity among streetwear enthusiasts, and also helped to challenge traditional fashion norms and stereotypes. One of the most notable examples of inclusivity and diversity in streetwear fashion during the 1990s was the emergence of the b-boy or b-girl style. This style was characterized by its use of baggy clothing, oversized t-shirts, and sneakers, and was heavily influenced by hip-hop culture. The b-boy/b-girl style was popular among urban youth of all races and ethnicities, and helped to create a sense of unity and shared identity among young people. The rise of streetwear fashion in the 1990s also had a significant impact on the representation of women in the fashion industry. Many streetwear brands began creating clothing specifically for women, with designs that were both comfortable and stylish. This helped to challenge traditional gender norms in fashion, and also helped to create a space for women within the male-dominated streetwear community. In recent years, there has been a renewed focus on inclusivity and diversity in streetwear fashion. Many streetwear brands are now actively working to create clothing that is inclusive of all genders, races, and ethnicities. This includes collaborations with diverse artists and designers, as well as the use of models from diverse backgrounds in their advertising campaigns. Another trend in streetwear fashion in recent years is the focus on sustainability and ethical production. Many streetwear brands are now using eco-friendly and sustainable materials in their clothing production, and are also working to reduce their environmental impact through ethical,